G'day viewers, Ivan here from Peak Off-Road Equipment, Wetherill Park, Sydney, Australia. We haven't done one of these showroom tours for a while. I think the last one was 2021, just as COVID was finishing up, or I don't know, it doesn't matter anyway. What we're going to do today is going to show you when you ring me up and I say to you, hey, come over to the showroom, come and have a look at our stock that we've got here and everything that's on display so you can pop in and out of the tents. Anyway, let's get started. We have two factories here. The one on the left, which we're going to now, is the showroom, dedicated, and to my right is the fitting centre where you can get your canopy camper or your tent or your troopy roof conversion done. So anyway, as I said, let's get started. We've got our little Hilux here with the canopy camper on it. It's got an internal setup, and there's a video coming out that shortly, so you can have a look at that. But there's plenty of videos out on Peak Off-Road of canopy campers on each individual vehicle. We do a lot of these. This is the future, and once you see it, you'll understand. You continue on, we've got old Angry here, the GQ. It's got the original 01 Alu-Cab Gen 3 tent on it, and you can see how much they've progressed from what I have here to what's on display at the back here as well. Anyway, moving further on, you can see it's all set up. On my left here right now, we have a canopy set up for, this is a single cab, this comes off my 6x4, and used to go on my 79. This is set up with the Bush Company tent, so it's got the Max awning and the Bush Company tent set up on a canopy like you would do it on yours. Now with this, we only have the Max set up, so you just have to visualise that this arm moves to here, that's a 270, and the 180 just goes straight across. So that's pretty simple. Anyway, we start to the tents that are on display. As you can see, there's a lot of tents here. The first one here we've got today is the DX27 from Bush Company. Now they've all got ladders to them, so you can jump in, open and close it. We can go through all the features, show you how the solar panels and mounting brackets go. The next one, which is super popular at the moment, is the AX27. This is a new one. We've just done a video on this one and shows you all the new features that you have. Also, brand new to us here, and we've done the video between the old TX and the new TX. Now this one is a display unit, and it's going for sale, so it shouldn't last too long. It's very well discounted. So an X demo, never seen the sun, only ever stand on the stand. So that completes the Bush Company range with the awning. And then we have the Alu-Cab. Now this is the Gen 3.1. Very shortly, the Gen 3R will be coming. And when that comes, this one will go over there or stacked in front. And this one will be offered up for sale as well. Again, never seen the sun, only ever been out on display, and there'll be a very good discount for this one. Also over here we have two tubs, which I'll show you in a second. This tub here is a Ford Ranger or a Mazda BT50. We have the Alu-Cab Explorer canopy on it and the Alu-Cab setup here for you to jump up and down the ladder. This is very important for the girls to see if they like going up that high on the ladder, and they can get a feel for all that as well. Also, we do Boss aluminium. Now this is a super tent, Australian made, Australian canvas, on display on a canopy here. This is a Hilux, a new Hilux canopy, a new Hilux tub with a canopy on there, and how it's mounted with the Boss aluminium awning. Excuse me. It's good to see the tents mounted, and again, you can feel the difference between the standard mattress and the deluxe mattress, the overland, which is the standard rooftop tent that Boss offers. Again, always here, because we do a lot of troopies here, we have a troopy on display with the Hercules roof conversion. The roof conversion is something that you really need to want to do, because it's a very final thing we do to your car. We do a lot of them. We have done, there's no ifs or buts, we have done more roof conversion than anyone else in the country of the Alu-Cab type. Hey, we've been doing it for 7 years and we do a lot of them. Also here, we can go through what you got here, right here now, is this is a table. Now you'll end up on this table somewhere along the line for a bracket, a mount, how it works on your car. And when you come here to either fit it yourself, I can look at your car and say, look, this is the way we should be able to fit it. These are the load bars you need. Do you need this one, or can you get away with something else? So there's always oodles and oodles of options. Also on display here, we have the Alu-Cab ladders, different types, different racks. We can show you all bits and pieces. So again, allow some time. Half an hour would be on the quicker side when you come into here. If you're doing a conversion, we open and close it. Make sure you jump in, grab a pillow. Same with the tents. Make sure it's the right thing for you. It's a big investment for some builds, and you'll be sleeping at it 8 hours a night, 2 of you, so make sure it's all comfy. Anyway, that finishes up. Just remember, we have a workshop next door. Pop over to the showroom, have a look around, bring your missus, and the fitting part, once you know which tent it is, the fitting part, we can either handle or give you the right gear for you to handle. So thank you for listening to me on the showroom tour. It's nice and quick. We do give these showroom tours out as part of our quoting process, and I hopefully see you here at Wetherill Park. All right guys, enjoy and see you on the tracks. Hooroo.